On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages updating problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, as you can see, we'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Snapchat like this and then click on this for stop here and go down to the internal storage or the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache like this. Go back, and now all what you want to do next is very simple and easy. Just click on this power usage details, click down here on force stop, and then go to the power consumption alert, disable it. Now restart your phone and reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.